Stock market investments are subject to market risk. Please do your own research before investing. The comments in the videos are only personal opinions. These videos are for educational purposes only. The viewers must understand and take full responsibility for the profit or loss made by taking actions based on the above videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge of Earth is the knowledge of life. Everyone wants to make money. Many of them turns towards stock market. Without knowing anything about stock market, invest in stock market and loses their money. To make money we have to work smarter, not harder. I am with you to teach how to grow your money. I will teach you how to become a professional investor from a beginner. Without wasting time, let's start. Today let's learn about an IPO. Before starting the video, please don't skip this video, otherwise you will not understand what is an IPO. And another thing, who have not subscribed our channel, subscribe now and then press on the bell icon for regular notification of our videos. Now, what is an IPO? An IPO is initial public offerings. Now, repeat with me, initial public offerings. An IPO refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance. Public share issuance allows a company to raise capital from public investors. What are the benefits of investing in IPO? Number 1, get in on the action early. By investing in an IPO, you can enter the ground floor of a company with a high growth potential. An IPO may be your window to rapid profit in a short time period. It may also help grow your wealth in the long run. Suppose you invest in a young company that sells disruptive technology. If it manages to sway the market and rake in profits, you would gain from its success too. Number 2, meet long-term goals. IPO investments are equity investments. So, they have the potential to bring in big returns in the long term. The corpus earned can help you to fulfill long-term financial goals like retirement or buying a house. Besides, the Indian IPO market is growing. In 2017, the Indian stock market generated almost $11 billion through IPOs. Number 3, more price transparency. The price per security issued is clearly mentioned in the IPO order document. So, you have access to the same information as bigger investors. This would change in a post-IPO scenario. The share prices after the IPO would depend on changing market rates and the best price that the stockbroker can offer. Number 4, buy cheap, earn big. The IPO price is often the cheapest price if you invest in a small company that has the potential to grow big. That is because the company may offer a discounted rate. If you miss the IPO window, investing in that promising company may be difficult because the stock price may skyrocket. You don't believe it? Let's take an Amazon's example. When Amazon.com Incorporated floated an IPO in 1997, each share was priced at $18. Had you invested $5,000 in Amazon's IPO, your shares would have been worth $2.5 million in April 2018. These are the 4 benefits of an IPO. Please note these 4 points in a book. If you think this video is useful, hit the like button and share the video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for a regular notification. Please watch this video twice or thrice to understand better. Thanks for watching.